Ready to ditch the travel agent and become your own flight booking pro? With Ixigo, snagging the best flight deals is easier than ever. First, fire up the Ixigo app or head to their website. Right there on the homepage, you'll spot the flights icon. Tap or click it. Now type in your departure city and your dream destination. Ixigo's smart search predicts and autocompletes as you type, making things speedy. Next, choose your travel dates. Tap on the calendar icon and either pick your specific dates, or if you're flexible, use the flexible dates option to find the cheapest days around your preferred time. Specify the number of passengers traveling. Adults, children, and infants. Make sure to get this right for accurate pricing. And finally, select your preferred travel class. Hit the search button. Now, the magic happens. A list of flights will appear. Use the filters to narrow down your options based on price, number of stops, airlines, and departure times. Once you've found the perfect flight, tap the book button. This will redirect you to the airline or a trusted online travel agency to complete your booking. Review your flight details carefully, fill in your passenger information, and proceed to payment. Voila! Your flight is booked. Check your email for the confirmation and a ticket.